Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to see about cell degradation and repair. In the cell degradation repair, we are going to see about the necrosis and apoptosis. So, what is meant by necrosis? Death of cell or tissue through disease or injury. The picture shows the image of necrosis. Next one, we are going to see about apoptosis. Apoptosis is a form of programmed cell death that occur in multicellular organisms. So it shows a necrosis and apoptosis diagram. First one, it indicates a normal cell which having the nucleus and organelles and it is doing its own activity. When necrosis occur, first the bubbles is formed, blebs is formed. The small blebs form, the structure of the nucleus changes will be occur. The blebs fuse and become larger. No organelles are located in the blebs. The cell membrane rupture and release the cell content. The organelles are not functional. So it is called as necrosis. Then coming to the apoptosis, again same thing. If any injuries is occur, first blebs is formed, small blebs formed. The nucleus begins to break apart. The DNA breaks into small pieces. The organelles are also located in the blebs. The cell breaks into several apoptotic bodies. The organelles are still function. So it is called as apoptosis. So we are going to see about the difference between the apoptosis and necrosis. So introduction, apoptosis are programmed cell death in the form of cell death that is generally triggered by normal healthy process in the body. But necrosis is the premature death of the cell in living tissue. Though necrosis being researched possible from the programmed cell death, it is considered an unprogrammed cell death process at this time. Then about the natural, yes, it is a natural, but necrosis is caused by the factors external to the cell or tissue such as infection, toxins or trauma. Effects of apoptosis is usually beneficial, only abnormal when the cellular process that keep the body in balance cause too many cell deaths or too few. For necrosis, always determination. Process, membrane blubbing, shrinkage of cell, nuclear collapse, that is a nuclear membrane fragmentation, chromatin, condensation, chromosomal DNA fragmentation, apoptotic body formation, then engulf of WBC. Here for necrosis, membrane disruption, respiratory poison and hypoxia which causes ATP depletion, metabolic collapse, cell swelling and rupture leading to inflammation. Symptoms, usually no noticeable symptoms related to the process, but necrosis, inflammation, decreasing blood flow at affected site, tissue death, then causes self-generator signals in cell, generally natural part of life, the conditioner of the cellular cycle initiated by mitosis. Bacterial or fungal infection, denaturation proteins that impede circulation, fungal and mycobacterial infections